We gotta do the Big Rooster Show beat because, you know, that's what we do. Get up. Get up. Big Rooster Show beat. Y'all wanna go over there? Go show them some love. Alright. Tell it, hey, everybody, what's going up? And saying what's really going on. Tell it, yes, I'm Jay, I'm over here. And I'm doing this and I'm doing the song. Do a song over here when I'm on that beat. And on the beat, just to move your feet. Some of people telling me I am that Jay. The other people just, what do you think? So you thinking wrong, and you thinking on. The other people just chilling at home. Tell the other people just looking up and they on they cellular phone. They phone over there just vibing out. The internet just to pass their time. Their time over here, they doing their things. And that's why I'm doing my rhyme. My rhyme over here, that's for myself. But in the yes, I'm showing out. Some people tell me I am the J. And yes, I run my mouth. Telling people, yes, I'm from the South. Cause that's how I get down. Showing love to everyone right now. Everybody, what's going down? Got the north, the south, the east, and the west. People just going to test. Telling, yes, I'm over here just doing the thing. And everybody are still the best. No matter where you from or over here, I'm here just to talk about you. Some people's over here that doing their thing, and you know I keeping it true. Saying true over here, the truth for me when I'm chewing up in my vein. Some people's over here, the J, the right now, oh yes, their brother can sing. Just sing over there, the singer over here, and you know what the words to do. I'm over here, the doing my thing, I'm here just to rock with you. Got a hashtag bomb up in the house, do you know I'm saying your name? Got a Destiny, the forever wall PhD over here, she doing the same. Then all the people showing their love, showing love over here to Jay. Some people's over here, you know about me, did you know that we would stay? Just staying up and standing on down, I've been like everywhere. Some people's over there, the other people, they playing double dare. I've been to Germany the one time, I also been to Iraq. Just fight for the country over here now, just to put it on my back. Now when I came back to today, and do you see that love? From the other peoples over here now, do you know they spread the love? But still I'm over here the right now, just grinding up. But I'm grinding over here the right now, do you know it's getting tough? Said when I see the people right now, they over here hang with Jay. But still I'm over here the right now, everybody wanna go and pray. Yeah, pray for the good, to pray for the what, we praying this straight on up. Saying yes, I'm over here the right now, do you know I shout you up? Says when I shout the shouting you over here when I'm showing out. Some people saying I'm over here now, that's the reason run my mouth. I run my mouth to hear the today, cause that's just what I do. Say everybody, yes, about me, I want to keep it true. Let's go back over there to Germany, everybody, what you see. I seen so many things over there when I was in the beat. I went to war, but still on the Autobahn. My foot on the gas, I'm going so fast, I still just having fun. Try to stay over there, but still I say yes, I'm doing this thing for me. So everybody having some fun, just going to go and party. Just party 7 days a week over there, oh yes, I'm babbing out. Say yes, I'm over here the right now, that's why I shout it out. But still I say the what that I say, I'm doing what is up. Some people's over here the right now, I'm here just cutting it up. Say K Renee, the garden came in, so now I say your name. Some people's over here, you doing your thing, everybody want to sing. Say if you sing it up or will be, you come just sing it out. Some people's over here the right now, but I will shout you out. Singing names over here, the people's over there, but still we scream and shout. Say everybody over here now, do you know how we get down? Saying when I see the people's over here, oh yes, I'm going up. We're still over here today, the right now. Do you know we is up? Just flexing what I'm flexing, my muscle, and yes, I'm flexing hard. Then work out every day, and right now even work out in the dark. Saying yes, I got the things on my mind, got all that what I'm doing. Saying yes, I'm over here today, oh yes, I want some more. Saying people saying we over here now, they saying that show the road. But still I'm over here right now, I left that 44. Saying 45, the word that I'm at, but still I feel it now. Saying everybody saying it right now, do you know I hold it down? Saying rocking up and into my brown, I'm rocking in the wood. Some people telling me that today I'm here just to cut it up. Saying when I cut it up today, yes, I stand it proud. Some people over here today saying, Jay, I like your style. Your style over there, you been to everywhere, but still you having fun. I also been over there too, they're hungry just for some. Said went to the bar, went to the club, I just went to the mall. Some people over here right now, do you know they started y'all? Said when I shake, the heart of them shake. Some people, what you see? I'm over here, you over here now, they saying you next to me. Said now I'm doing this and that cause I wanna shout it out. Said everybody know about me, do you know so what about? Let's go, said hey, that big rooster show be over here today. That big rooster show the beat over here today. All right.